Welcome back. Following on from the previous video of me explaining the piston fault, we're still a load of engines. We haven't even left. Again, I'd like to stay here forever, but you know, that's the way it is. So we're going to get on with now building my rear engine back up, so we can get it back in the car, because we was not meant to be running on the 7th of June. But thanks to Tom, who told us to cancel the 7th of June, because it was his wedding anniversary, and somehow swindled it so we can go racing. So unfortunately now we've got 3 weeks, as usual, timescales ticking, to build the engine, get it back in the car, and get it up and running, to get to test day on the 7th of June. So, we're here. Parts have been in the ultrasonic bath. The parts are all getting built back up. The block's nice and clean, that's been in the bath. So let's get it built up, let's get the engine back together, and let's, by fingers crossed, by the end of the evening, we've got a working engine again. So that's us ending now. Engine's fully built, ready to go. So it's now over to get it back to the house and get it back in the car. There's a few odds and ends we need to tidy up on the engine, like put the clutch on and torque the flywheel down, but that's it done. It took from taking it out to rebuilding to getting new pistons, I think it took 6 days. So it's showing, you know, as I'm trying to tell people, is get stuck in an hour a night, get on your projects, get out and get them done. Because in 5 days, 6 days, I've fully rebuilt the engine, and within probably 7 or 8 days, it'll be back in the car and back running. I also want to give a massive thank you to Lanny. Now, he's helped me out here massively. I tried to get a set of Wasner pistons, everywhere was sold out. I have ordered a set, but everywhere was sold out. Turns out, a friend of mine, Lanny, had the last set available. He'd bought them a couple of weeks before. He's given me the pistons, and I've got to replace them. Basically, because the pistons are on back order for now, I think for 4 weeks, and we go racing in 3 weeks. So massive thank you to Lanny. So that's us done. Engine's built up. You've seen us. I know it's been a long time, lads, guys, but there's not much really to show. If you want to show a little bit more engine building, just comment and we'll do a little bit more. But thank you very much. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project.